Welcome to Benidorm's Levante Beach on a Sunday midday. Let's go and explore it. It's 23 degrees outside. Authentic summer. Benidorm is bustling with activities. There's so many services open right now and so many people walking down its lovely streets. As you can see, it's extremely busy in the city center. We can see almost all of the businesses have opened their doors, even though it's Sunday right now. A lot of the cafeterias have put the maximum available quantity of tables. Even the ice cream places like these ones are open because it's so warm outside that people are getting ice creams and milkshakes. Typical shops for souvenirs, accessories, something where you can put your name tag on it. Some places are closed for refurbishment probably. The Duck World, the mini market, and the supermarket that we have here nearby. This is, by the way, 24-hour supermarket. And it's quite busy, although the prices here are not the cheapest ones, only because obviously they need to grab some extra benefit from selling things out here, not as typical Spanish supermarkets do. Right in front of us, we can see already the loveliest Levante Beach, and there's authentic crowd of people out there. Terraces seem to be full, although we are technically in the city center right now, so this is so far how it's looking like. The Captain's Candy Shop and the cafeteria, they've opened, it's full. Bonbon Boss is also a very nice place. We've been here quite a few times all over our region in Alicante, here in Valencian community, and they have very nice baguettes, sandwiches, some drinks, and even offers for breakfast. Some shops are closed, but these ones are cosmetic shops or something specific like this that do have a special timetable for the opening hours. However, when you see nearby, we can actually see some shoe shops that are open, even though it's Sunday. A lot of people are, that's a double bicycle, that's nice. A lot of people are taking bicycles or mobility scooters for these days, simply because the weather is gorgeous and they want to be able to enjoy it and discover as much as possible. We're having a bit of summer here. To be honest with you, it's been I don't even remember the last 10 years so that we would have this type of weather here in Benidorm. This is extremely rare and extremely strange, and we don't know what to expect any longer from all the weather. People do ask us, what's the weather like in March? What's the weather like in February? What's the weather like in spring season? And you never know what to answer because this is extremely strange. For about a week, no, maybe even more, 2 weeks time, we've been having more than 20 degrees in our region, and the standard was around 18, 19. Really sunny weather, barely any kind of wind at all. And this is what we used to have right now in January. But normally, it's not the case. Usually during these weeks, we were even able to go towards the Guadalest village or Confrides, which is where there used to be some snow. But how will there be any kind of snow? How will there be something out there, something wintry, when this was happening? 23, 24 degrees, we've just seen it on the phone, 24 degrees right now. Look at the Levante Beach. That's absolutely insane. It's incredible. Nabab cafeteria is full. Rico Bar and Cafeteria. We love these two cafeterias, by the way. They're really much recommended during your holidays here. They have nice pricing. They have a nice selection of products. And both breakfast, snacks, and drinks are usually of very good quality. So it's something we could definitely recommend you to try out. And boy, the beach is looking nice today. Probably the vast majority of people are here at some specific point, either Poniente or Levante Beach, and not anywhere else. We've seen empty parking lots right now because everyone are here. Look at this. Touch of color. People wearing t-shirts, shorts, flip-flops, summer dresses. Some of them are even wearing only like swimwear. with a tiny pareo. That's it. Sun hats, sunglasses, bottles of water, and you can even smell sunscreen back again. This is authentic summer. This is almost like summer here in the region. It is so incredibly strange, but yet so nice. This weather is probably the best ones. Up until 30 degrees, that's perfect. That's absolutely perfect. More than 30, 32, that's already slightly too much. But this is when people simply enjoy their holidays. Imagine coming from a country where it's snowing or raining to this glorious place. I wouldn't want to leave probably if I would come here on the holidays, which is why we get it. So many people are taking slightly longer holidays out here, are taking 1-2 weeks, going to campsites and extending for the whole winter if they find a good deal for accommodation. This is gorgeous. The beach is calm and quiet. A lot of people are walking bare feet, by the way, which the water is not too warm either. We would need to start monitoring the water situation, the water temperature once again, only because we do not usually talk about it in winter simply because it doesn't make any sense. People don't go for a swim. However, with these crazy temperatures, it's quite possible that the water temperature also have risen up and is slightly higher than it used to be in winter. So maybe it's not as cold as we think at all. Look at that, the second police car or the third already police cars passing nearby. Obviously, with such a big amount of people on the streets, we need to take necessary precautions. In the future videos here on the channel, we will let you know a brand new it's a news, but at the same time, it's a precaution you must take. And we will let you know what is actually going on, why you need to be careful and what to look for. And just a small hint, all of this is happening due to the illegal immigration to Spain, massive illegal immigration to Spain from Africa. So we will be giving you a special news update probably on Tuesday. So make sure to subscribe, activate notifications so that you wouldn't miss that video. Trust me, it's worth hearing what we need to say, especially before the new summer season hits us. There's a lot of people with luggages out there too. You've just seen them. A lot of people with luggages going everywhere around Benidorm. Either it's still too early to check in into their hotel, or they've checked out but they decided to bring their luggage with them for any specific reason, and they're walking and exploring Benidorm. This is an incredible place. This is why we say it's paradise. This is why we try and bring you all this lovely weather. I really hope that with these types of videos, even if you are in a rainy England or anywhere else in the world where it's quite cold right now, where you have an authentic winter, this will bring you a tiny piece of sunshine into your home and will feel like you are almost already here. Some subscribers also did ask us in the comment section on what to do here in Benidorm, for example, in February, where to go, what to explore. As you all know, there are incredible options even in winter season, especially when it's as nice as it is right now. One of the options is go and explore places on your own, like Alicante with a train. We have a full video, by the way, here on the channel on how to get with the train, what the train ride looks like, how you need to take the tickets, and all the useful information. You can actually check it out here on the channel. And you can explore Alicante the whole day long. You will need to spend there, but it's actually worth it. You can go to explore some tapas, wine tourism, a lot of other lovely and gorgeous villages here around. This is what only just a few options that you could potentially do here in the region. Also, don't forget that we do not talk a lot about it, but I'm sure a lot of you already know that we have our own baby business. It's very small. It's just myself and my hubby helping me out with the pickup and drop-off service with a car. And we do premium private tours here in Costa Blanca and especially Marina Baixa region. Guadalest, Confrides, Finestrat Village, Alicante, tapas tour in Alicante. We do tapas tour in Benidorm with tapas included, by the way. So you just pay the price. We pick you up, we drop you off, we show you all the tapas, we tell you a lot of history and cultural curiosities about it. And the tapas will be included. We have a loveliest lighthouse walk. We have a lot of different sports walks around Natural Park, Calpe, Moraira, Albir, Alteas, Old Town, so many places, and you can actually personalize the tour as much as you would like to. You can put a fixed schedule, some specific time that you would like to start, anything specific you would want to see, or something maybe you're not really interested in, whether you prefer a cultural or more historical tour. All this is available for you on our official website, Benidorm by Anna Tours. You can check it out. We will be adding a lot more of them, and for this summer we will be adding the sunrise tour in our area. Enjoy a relaxing walk right by the sea while the sun is rising. This is a spectacular event that a lot of people must see. The only thing, you would need to wake up slightly earlier to be able to get the sunrise. But apart from that, that's something that's really, really recommended, especially for those who are seeking just relaxing type of walk, or relaxing tour, something to even maybe meditate, not to talk a lot, and just have a nice, energizing walk here in the region. And if you need some more information about the shows, if you need different kinds of information about the surrounding region, a part of our website right now, we are official partners. We are growing a strong long-term relationship with Benidorm and Beyond website based in UK. We will be telling it for quite a few videos in a row, so if you know about it already, that's perfect. But since we have new subscribers coming down here and not a lot of people watch all our videos, we really want to make sure that people know about this, because it's extremely useful for your holidays. On their website, which by the way has nothing to do with the YouTube channel based here in Benidorm, that's a totally independent website based in UK and created from UK for all the Brits, and not only Brits, who love Benidorm and surrounding area, who love to explore. And this is where you will find shows information for night entertainment. This is where you'll find some recommended and popular bars, a little bit more about them. It's like a complement to, like, an extra valuable information, a part of our channel, where you will also be able to see some interactive map that will show you how Benidorm is split, where you can find the most popular things. Apart from that, you will be able to see all the surrounding area, the Beyond Benidorm, which is why it's called like this, by the way, and all the recommended villages to visit. And probably by autumn this year is when they launch Benny Bible. I love the name, by the way. Benny Bible will be a magazine, a virtual magazine with all the information for season. It's going to be launched only once a year, at least for now. So this one will be 2024, 2025. And you will be able to see a lot of useful information in it, so that you could plan your holidays way easier, stress-free, and simply know exactly where you want to go, what you want to do, and be able to use the time with the maximum efficiency here in the town and surrounding region. We've been walking for around 14 minutes, has been more or less, since we've started this video, and it is getting so warm. Gosh, this is why I see so many people just with t-shirts and flip-flops. Look at this, and like open types of shoes. It's absolutely insane. It's very warm with the sweater. I would definitely say sweater is too much right now, but the curious thing about it is it's only on the sunshine. Whenever you go towards the shade, it starts to be nice. So it's not too warm on the shade, but on the seashore, boy, it's been really warm. By the way, for those who are coming here right now, those who still did not know, be careful, because the potato scammers are still here. They're still back. I've not seen them for quite a while here on the streets, so I thought, maybe they caught them, maybe they are not here any longer. Maybe they got to see that people are playing less and less and people are not letting them to be fooled. So, hey, maybe that's like a good news. But recently we've seen them back again. We've seen them in Rincon de Loix, quite close to Nereo Hotel and where the indoor market is located. And there were barely any people at all playing with them. It's mostly the group and like people who work for them. But still be careful. Don't be fooled by this game. As a lot of you might know already, we even have a special video here on the channel about the potato scammers. If you did not see just yet, check it out. Put Benidorm by Anna potato scam and the video will just pop up on your screen. And it's worth checking it because it's impossible to win this game. Trust us. The lovely Hotel Simbel, which is a 4-star hotel. This was the first one I think that we ever filmed here on the channel as for hotel tours. Oh, someone is swimming in the swimming pool. They have rooms on the first floor with the private swimming pool. It's not a big one, it's a small swimming pool, but still it's like your own space. If you are in the room, you just want to have some nice sunbathing time and just get chilled a tiny bit in the water, this might be a good idea. And this is a great hotel, by the way, really popular both by national and international tourists. If you want to see what it looks like from the inside, especially this room with a private swimming pool, check it out in our list of Benidorm hotels or put Benidorm by Anna Hotel Simbel and you will be able to check it out by yourself. Wow, it's incredible here today. Sunday midday, really busy. A lot of people are enjoying their stay here in Benidorm. This is what Benidorm is looking like right now on Sunday morning, midday to be exact. This is filmed the same day when this video will be published, and on the sunshine it's 24 degrees, authentic paradise for all those tourists who are coming right now to Benidorm or Costa Blanca. Incredible weather, more and more people are arriving, especially because Benidorm Fest is about to begin. Thank you for accompanying us on today's short, sunny, warm walk from Benidorm's Levante Beach, and we'll see you in a new video tomorrow with the latest news update. Bye!